Is temporary support crucial when working with load-bearing walls? Imagine you're remodeling your home and want to open up a space by removing a load-bearing wall. It sounds exciting, but what keeps everything from falling apart during the process? That's where temporary support comes into play. When working with load-bearing walls, temporary support is absolutely essential. These walls carry the weight of the floors, ceilings, and roof above them. If you remove or alter one without proper support, the structure can sag, crack, or even collapse. Temporary supports act like a safety net during construction. They hold up the weight until a permanent support, like a steel beam or a reinforced column, is installed. Without this support, the structure above can shift or fail, risking damage or injury. To set up these supports, builders often use lumber frames called shoring walls. These are built close to the existing load-bearing wall and are designed to carry the weight safely. They typically use sturdy 2x10 or 2x12 boards for the top plates and 2x for 4 studs. The goal is to spread the load evenly across a wide area, protecting ceilings and floors from damage. There are different types of temporary supports. One common type is a brace wall, which is a framed wall built near the load-bearing wall to hold the weight temporarily. Another option is adjustable shoring posts, often called jack posts or lally columns. These are made of steel or metal and can be adjusted to fit tight spaces, providing strong vertical support quickly. They are especially useful when space is limited or when quick installation is needed. Proper placement of these supports is critical. They should be positioned close enough to the original wall to carry the load effectively but leave enough room for workers to work safely. Usually, studs in temporary walls are spaced 16 inches apart on center, but this can vary based on the load and support type. The supports must be stable and well-braced to prevent shifting or failure during the project. Safety is a top priority. Because working with load-bearing walls affects the entire structure, it is wise to consult a structural engineer. They can design the temporary and permanent supports to meet safety standards. Building permits and inspections are often required to ensure everything is done correctly and safely. In real home renovation projects, installing temporary supports is a must when removing or modifying load-bearing walls. It keeps the home safe during construction and ensures the final structure remains strong. Proper planning, quality materials, and sometimes professional guidance make all the difference. Without these supports, the risk of structural issues increases significantly. So, if you're thinking about opening up a space, remember that temporary support isn't just a good idea. It's a necessary step to keep everything standing tall and safe.